Paying taxes is a crucial part of being a responsible citizen, but there are legal ways to reduce your tax liability. Let's dive into some effective strategies to help you protect your hard-earned money from excessive taxation. Segment 1. Maximize tax deductions. First up, maximize your tax deductions. Deductions reduce your taxable income, which in turn reduces the amount of tax you owe. Common deductions include home loan interest. You can claim deductions on the interest paid on your home loan. Medical expenses. Keep receipts of medical expenses for potential deductions. Education fees. Tuition fees for children's education are also deductible. Make sure to keep all necessary documentation to substantiate your claims. Segment 2. Invest in tax-advantaged accounts. Another effective strategy is to invest in tax-advantaged accounts. These accounts provide tax benefits either at the time of contribution or withdrawal. Examples include Public Provident Fund (PPF) contributions are deductible and the interest earned is tax-free. National Pension Scheme (NPS) offers additional tax benefits under Section 80CCD. Equity-linked savings schemes (ELSS). These mutual funds offer tax deductions under Section 80C and have the potential for high returns. These investments not only help you save on taxes but also grow your wealth over time. Segment 3. Plan your investments. Effective tax planning involves choosing the right investment choices. Some key tips include diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to balance risk and returns. Long-term investments. Long-term capital gains are often taxed at a lower rate than short-term gains. Tax-free bonds. Consider investing in tax-free bonds where the interest earned is exempt from tax. Consult with a financial advisor to tailor your investment strategy to your tax-saving goals. Segment 4. Take advantage of business expenses. For business owners and freelancers, there are several deductions available for business expenses such as office expenses. All costs related to office supplies are deductible. Travel expenses. Business travel expenses, including transportation and lodging, can be claimed. Professional services. Fees paid to lawyers, accountants, and consultants can also be deducted. Maintain detailed records of all business expenses to maximize your deductions. Remember, effective tax planning is about staying informed and making smart financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content from Basha Mark and Company. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.